In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to question Gemini. The key idea is simple. Ask clear, specific questions. Gemini works best when it knows exactly what you want, why you want it, and how you want the answer presented. Vague prompts lead to vague results, while precise prompts guide the model toward the outcome you have in mind. Start by stating your goal plainly. If you want a summary, say so. If you need an explanation, comparison, or example, spell that out. Next, narrow the scope. Define the time period, location, or subtopic you care about. This prevents the model from guessing and keeps the answer focused on what matters to you. Add the right context. Mention who the answer is for and the level of detail you need. If the audience is a beginner, say, "Explain in simple terms," or "Assume no prior knowledge." If you're looking for a high-level overview, say that. If you need depth, ask for it. Finally, describe the format. Tell Gemini whether you want a concise paragraph, a short list of key points, or a step-by-step outline. That formatting cue shapes the structure of the response and saves you time. Here's a concrete example. Instead of typing "History of France," try this. Can you summarize the causes and effects of the French Revolution, 1789 to 1799, in simple terms? Notice what changed. You've set the topic, the time frame, and the desired style. That clarity steers the model to the right material and tone. You can take the same approach with any subject. Replace broad prompts like "climate change solutions" with "give a brief overview of 3 practical, evidence-based strategies cities can use to reduce carbon emissions," with one sentence on the trade-offs of each. Or if you're learning a concept, write "explain how supply and demand work in beginner-friendly language," then give a real-world example involving concert tickets. In both cases, you identify the purpose, scope, and output format. When you review the answer, check whether it met your goal. If it's close but not quite there, be specific in your follow-up. Ask for simpler language, add or remove a constraint, or tighten the time frame. Iterating with clear guidance is part of asking well. Remember, clarity isn't about writing long prompts. It's about eliminating ambiguity. State your goal, set the boundaries, add the context, and choose the format. Do that, and you'll consistently get useful on-target responses from Gemini.